Cleo and Klover do not make lending decisions based only on a traditional credit score, which means having bad credit does not automatically disqualify you from getting a cash advance through either app. By the end of this video, you'll know how each app evaluates applicants, what affects your approval chances, and which one is the better choice if your credit history isn't great. If your main question is which app approves bad credit, the short answer is that both are designed for people who may not qualify for a traditional personal loan. Instead of focusing only on your credit profile, they look at other information such as your bank account activity, income, and account history. Cleo connects to your bank account and analyzes your finances through its app. If you are eligible, you may receive access to a cash advance without a hard credit inquiry. Your banking history, recurring income, and overall account activity play a much bigger role than your credit score. Klover works a little differently. It also connects to your bank account, but eligibility is based largely on consistent paycheck deposits and account behavior. The app reviews your financial activity to determine whether you qualify for an advance. Like Cleo, it does not rely on a traditional credit check in the same way a bank or credit card company would. That doesn't mean everyone gets approved. If your income is irregular, your bank account is new, or you frequently have overdrafts or returned payments, either app may limit your eligibility or offer a smaller advance. The better option depends on your situation. Choose Cleo. If you want an app that combines budgeting tools with cash advances and you're looking for ongoing insights into your spending habits, choose Klover. If you receive regular direct deposits and want an app that focuses primarily on paycheck-based cash advances. Whichever app you choose, connect the bank account where your income is deposited, keep your account active, and avoid frequent negative balances whenever possible. Those factors generally matter more than whether your credit score is excellent or poor. Here's the bottom line. Neither Cleo nor Klover is built around approving or denying people based solely on bad credit. Both use your banking activity and income to decide eligibility, and the stronger and more consistent your account history is, the better your chances of qualifying. Your next step is simple. Compare the current eligibility requirements inside both apps before applying, then use the one that best matches how you get paid and manage your money. If this helped you make the right choice, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward comparisons and money app guides.